The Beauty of Biology presents Human Respiratory System by Satyam Rauniyar. Human respiratory system. The process of digestion in human beings produces energy-rich simple compounds, like glucose. The digested food is carried to all the cells of our body by the blood circulatory system. The human beings obtain energy from the digested food by the process of respiration. The main organs of human respiratory system are nose, nasal passage, trachea, bronchi, lungs, and diaphragm. Organs of human respiratory system. Our nose has two holes, which are called nostrils. There is passage in the nose behind the nostrils. This is called nasal passage. It joins the nostrils to the trachea. The trachea is a tube which is also called the windpipe. The upper end of trachea has voice box called larynx. The trachea branches into two smaller tubes, called bronchi, at its lower end. The two bronchi are connected to the lungs, one to the left lung, and another to the right lung. Each bronchus divides in the lungs to form large number of still smaller tubes called bronchioles. The smallest bronchioles have tiny air sacs, at their ends, which are called alveoli. The walls of alveoli are very thin, and surrounded by thin blood capillaries. The exchange of gases between air and blood takes place through the walls of alveoli. The diaphragm is a curved sheet of muscle below the lungs. Our lungs lies in the chest cavity, which is bounded by the rib cage and diaphragm. Breathing in and out. The muscles of diaphragm and rib cage help in breathing in and breathing out. When we breathe in, our chest cavity expands. The expansion movement of chest cavity helps in sucking the air in. When we breathe out, the chest cavity contracts. The contraction of chest cavity helps in squeezing the air out. We will now describe the working of human respiratory system. Working of human respiratory system. We breathe in air through our nose. The air enters the nostrils, passes through nasal passage, larynx, trachea, bronchi, and finally reaches the lungs. In the lungs, air passes through a large number of small tubes, called bronchioles, and then reaches the tiny air sacs called alveoli. The alveoli are surrounded by thin blood capillaries, which carry blood in them. The oxygen of air passes in the blood capillaries from the alveoli. The blood carries oxygen to every part of the body. As blood passes through the tissues of the body, the oxygen passes into the body cells from the blood. This oxygen combines with the digested food present in the cells to release energy. Carbon dioxide and water are formed as waste materials during respiration. These waste products, produced during respiration, enters the blood. Blood carries these waste products, carbon dioxide and water, to the alveoli in the lungs. From the lung, carbon dioxide and water vapor is removed with the air we breathe out. In this way, the process of gaseous exchange is completed, and we obtain energy by the process of respiration. Thank you. A presentation by Satyam Rauniyar.